Good morning, Rutgers. My name is Paul Beeman. I'm here with your September 18th, 2014 Weather Watcher forecast. Now, I know it was really chilly this morning. It got down into the 40s, but if we hold out until the weekend, we're going to be seeing some really nice temperatures. So let's get started with this. As for the almanac right now, like I said, low is in the 40s, 46. It's pretty low for this time of year, at 54 being the average. But since the high is around the 70s, we should have a warmer rest of the day. As we go to the headlines, you can see sun everywhere, all across the forecast is sun. Weekend warm up, you got a nice warm temperatures coming up this weekend. No rain ahead for a while. There is one of Monday night. I'll get to that in a bit. But for right now, today's high across the region, it looks great. Mid-70s, like I said, it's definitely going to get to a nice warm temperature today. As for tonight, it's not going to be too bad as well, as we're in the mid-50s instead of the mid-40s, unlike Sussex, who's still going to have to suffer through some of those chillier temperatures. As for today, you can look for sun and 70s throughout the day. 12, 70, 3 p.m., 74, 6 p.m., 72. It's just going to be a nice day. The high gets up to around 76 with a little bit of a wind, and it's going to be feeling real nice today. It's just a nice early fall day. Mostly sunny. As for tonight, like I said, mid-50s, 53, west winds at 7, partly cloudy. It's going to be really nice. As I step out of the shot for your 7-day forecast, you can see that Thursday it's going to be 76, Friday 68, 70s across the board for the rest, except for Sunday, which hits a nice 81. It's going to be a gorgeous day. Monday, it has that slight chance of rain that I brought up earlier, and the low gets down to a little bit into the 40s at 49, but nothing too drastic. It's just going to be a nice uniform week. Nice to be outside, nice to go to class. It's going to be a wonderful week. As for us, we will be on every 15 minutes on Channel 6, on Facebook at RU Weather, RUTVWW on Twitter, hashtag RU Weather, our website, weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu, and as always, I will see you on the weekend. I hope you have a wonderful end of the week, a wonderful rest of the week, and I will see you later.